Having been approved as a member of the Camera Club of the Philippines,
Having been approved as a member of the Camera Club of the Philippines,
do hereby kami ang gawin yung sinasabi mo. You must respect our age. Do hereby confirm.
Louder, but slower.
do hereby confirm
That I have read and understood
if I have read and understood the rules and requirements
of my status as a member. Requirements
and requirements of my status.
And that the objectives and spirit of these rules and requirements
And the objective, the spirit of the rules and requirements
have been adequately explained to me,
have been adequately explained to me,
and so I do hereby promise
and I do hereby promise
to abide by them,
to abide by them,
to pay my dues
and to pay my dues
and assessment
and assessments
promptly and faithfully,
and faithfully,
and to try my best to integrate fully into the activities and commandments of the church.
fully into the activities and camaraderie of the club.
It looks like they were needing the vote of probationary membership. It's now being replaced by the vote of membership. This is with your indulgence, mas maiksi ito.
Having been elected as a member
Having been elected as member
of the Camera Club of the Philippines,
of the Camera Club of the Philippines, Incorporated,
do hereby solemnly promise
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully and diligently
that I will faithfully and diligently
discharge to the best of my ability
discharge to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities
the duties and responsibilities
of my office, that I will support
and I will support
and bear true faith
and bear true faith
to the objectives,
to the objectives, bylaws, rules, and regulations of the club,
that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
on myself
upon myself
voluntarily
voluntarily
without mental
without
reservation
mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
Thank God.
So help me.
But we have seen The longest induction ever in the Camera Club. Pinakamaiksing Proby na naging member, kanina lang Proby, is member na.
Thank you, my model. Thank you.
Pinakamatagal na induction.
Thank you.
Sige, kamay kayo, kamay. Sir, kamay mo, 20 yan ah.
Oh, mano, my model. Thank you. Oh, kamay na lang. Thank you, mano. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the first time that the oldest member of the club is also the youngest member of the club. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Pwede kayo magmano, pwede kayo magmano. Congratulations, Niding.
Congratulations, pa. Thank you.
In 25 years, when you're 115, you're qualified for lifetime membership. Automatic lifetime. Congratulations, congratulations. Welcome to the
High five, high five, high five.
High five, high five, high five. Niding, congratulations. Are there any objections to the membership? Pwede ba mag-object? Ay, di na.
Let's just wait for Oli to go back to his seat.